I'm Theo. I'm a dental assistant student at Pima Community College. I took a gap year. I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do. I would say look at it as a stepping stone just because I want to be a dentist. Compared to high school, I like the outfits. This one, they have you in scrubs almost all the time. You need to know how to read and write for sure. A little bit of math involved as well.
Get your face out of your phone. Lock in, dude.
A lot of studying, reading, doing homework, lectures back to back. You have to be able to talk to people. That's a big part of it. People, when they come to the dentist, some of them might be scared. I'm gonna lay this across you real quick, okay? Okay. Radiology is a big important part of this. They basically show you how to use the whole unit here. If you like to do things that are science related, it's for sure fun. Pima being affordable, I was like, all right, this is the best part. I didn't want to be in debt from the very start, so I think that was the best decision I could have made for myself.